In this video, I'll show you how to capture and manage receipts in QuickBooks Online using the new interface in a simple and practical way, so your bookkeeping stays organized and traceable. Start by taking a clear, well-lit photo of the receipt on a flat surface, making sure the vendor name, date, total amount, and taxes are fully visible, without glare or blur, because image quality directly affects how accurately the system reads the data. After that, open the Transactions section from the left panel and go to the Receipts tab, which works like a digital inbox for all uploaded bills and proofs of purchase. Upload the image from your device and allow the built-in AI scanner to autofill details such as vendor, date, and totals. Then carefully review every field and manually correct anything that looks incorrect or incomplete, since small mistakes can impact reports and financial summaries. Adding short notes or memos can also help future tracking and audits. Subscribe for more clear tech tutorials and honest app reviews.